Hi, it's Tom here from the Property Centre. Today we're off to Paxton Drive in Bedminster. It's a newer development, well, like 10 to 15 years old now. It's got 2 double bedrooms, got an allocated parking space, and it's very close to Hotwells in the city centre. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.